In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a flowchart in ClickUp. If you're looking to streamline your workflow and visualize your processes effectively, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. First, to begin creating a flowchart, head on over to your ClickUp workspace and navigate to the space where you want your flowchart to reside. Don't worry if you're not exactly sure where this is, because this should be a space where the flowchart will be most relevant to your projects or tasks. Getting the right context for your flowchart is key in keeping everything organized. Now, once you're in your selected space, take a look around for the plus sign. This little icon signifies where you can create or add something new, and it's your gateway to all sorts of creative and organizational opportunities within ClickUp. Go ahead and click on that plus sign. With that done, you'll now see an option to click on templates. ClickUp is all about making your workspace as efficient as possible, and templates are a big part of that. They can save you a ton of time, especially if you're working on routine tasks or projects. Now, within the template section, you'll notice a label that says everything under template types. Make sure you click on this. It's basically a library of various templates that you can use for different purposes. Next, go to the search bar you see and type in flowchart. This will pull up relevant templates that you can use to create your flowchart. ClickUp offers a variety of templates, and finding one that matches your needs will make the process smoother and visually consistent. Browse through the list and select a flowchart template that you think will align with your requirements. Once you've found the right template, there will be a button labeled Use Template. Clicking this will enable you to start customizing the flowchart according to your own needs. This step is vital because the template is meant to be a starting point. Personalizing it ensures that it truly serves your project's unique demands. But hold on, before you get too excited, you'll need to decide where this template is going to live within ClickUp. You'll see an option to select location. Use that to choose the targeted folder or space for your flowchart. Picking the right location ensures that you have easy access and it remains relevant to the project it's tied to. Finally, with the location set, click on Use Template once again, and there you have it. Your flowchart is ready to go. Take the time to tweak and adjust it as necessary. Remember, a flowchart is a live document that evolves as your project progresses, so don't hesitate to update it as tasks and processes change. And that's about it. With these steps, you can successfully create a detailed and functional flowchart in ClickUp. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful ClickUp tips and tricks.